everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this Jade roller and Gua Sha set that I received. These are absolutely beauty essentials to me. I do these every night and every morning, or sometimes I'll just do it in the morning and sometimes at night when I have time. But I absolutely love it. The roller itself, they are made of quartz. The Gua Sha is also, and it's a really smooth surface. Feels amazing on your face. This does have two ends, so the bigger end I like to use on bigger areas of my face, like my cheeks and my forehead, and then the smaller one I like to use like under my eyes. Rolling for me, it just feels so relaxing. Also with the Gua Sha, I like to use this edge for under my eyes like this, and you just lift upwards. And then this curved little part right here is perfect for your jaw to pull everything upwards. That's what you want to do when you're rolling or using a Gua Sha. Everything is in an upward motion. It's really well made. It's not like squeaky. I've had other ones that they get really squeaky and it's annoying to use. These ones are perfect and I love the size. They're always in my makeup bag when I travel. Another thing you can do is put them into the freezer, which is my favorite thing to do. Because they are made of quartz, they get really cold. And so you're basically ice rolling instead of just normal rolling, which feels amazing. It reduces puffiness. It's gonna help your jawline and help with some fine lines on your face. It just feels amazing. It feels like you're giving yourself a spa treatment. So I think this would also be a super great gift if you have somebody in your life that, you know, is into skincare and beauty regimens. I think that this would be such an amazing little set to give as a gift. So if you're looking for something like this, something that you can travel with but use every single day and it just feels nice, I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.